What we have here is a GoGo carbon folding scooter. This scooter right here with everything you see battery inside it, this is a travel battery, is 39.6 pounds. Take the battery out, you're at 35 total pounds. That's amazing for a 300-pound weight capacity scooter that's going to go up to almost 10 miles on a full charge at 3.7 miles per hour. So once again, this is a 288 kilowatt hour or a watt hour battery, which means it's proof for all transportation. This is only 18 inches wide, so you can get this through any cruise ship door. Now, there is no arms on this unit. It is going to come with a little bit smaller of a seat. It's about 14 by 11, but it is a very comfortable seat. There is not any adjustability in tilt of the tiller, but you can adjust the height of the tiller. It's also going to come with an NFC tag. So this is going to be kind of like a key fob. When you go ahead and turn the unit on, you actually have to hold the fob over here. It will not even unlock the unit unless you have those fobs. Now don't worry, we sell extra fobs, and we also have videos that are going to show you how to repair a fob to your scooter in case you lose some and you have to order more. But once again, this is going to be a great unit for somebody that does want to travel, that can't lift a lot. Pull the battery out and you're at 35 pounds. I mean, I'm going to show you right here. If you lift this handle up, this is the scooter. It's actually going to fold up into a very compact position. The seat folds up as well. You can even tilt this forward like this and then roll it around like a suitcase. I mean, if you needed to, you can stand it up. You can lower the tiller down. I think we were 26 inches in height by 18 inches in width and 20 inches in depth. Now, you are able to lay that down this way as well in the vehicle if you need to get it in to fit it a different type of way. It's very easy. You got a little red lever right here. If you grab the back of the seat, when you press that lever, the unit folds back up to an upright position. You can then adjust your tiller back up. It does going to come with a really nice headlight. It is going to come with a nice tail light. And in the future, there might be optional upgrades on the battery to get a farther distance that will not be airline approved. But once again, it's a carbon fiber frame, carbon fiber wheels, solid tires all the way around with a 150 watt brushless motor. I mean, the gauge up here is something different and unique that's actually going to give you the fault code on here with a picture and a number instead of having to count how many lights or how many beeps you're at. This is going to tell you what profile you're on, your exact percentage of battery charge, and your miles per hour. So if you're looking for a scooter that is going to be very lightweight, 35 pounds without the battery, and have a 300-pound weight capacity, go ahead and look at the brand new GoGo carbon folding scooter by Pride Mobility.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Mark's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.